Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. Topic of this video is C3 restoration, determining date codes on your wheels. Are they original? So with that, click the thumbs up, notification bell, buckle up and stay tuned. Enjoy the ride. Now folks, obviously you're going to want to jack it up safely, get the wheel off, okay? We're going to focus primarily on the rims themselves. You know, over the years, a lot of these center caps have flown off and been replaced. Also the trim ring, same story. But we'll take a look at those, but the main focus is going to be the actual rim itself, all right? So we will take a look at trim rings and center caps and whatnot, and we'll give my honest opinion, and then we'll dive right into the details of the actual wheel rim itself. So stay tuned. Once you get the wheel off, you already have had to remove the center cap to do so. So we're going to do a basic inspection now. I don't know if this is original to the car or not. I'm going to try to reference the NCRS manual and give you an idea what I think, and I'll be doing that with the rims as well because it definitely mentions those things. And then you'll remove the trim ring next, and then we will show date codes on these. Alright folks, I'm reading inside the center cap and I see numbers 392-5805. I see an X and then I see GW-552504. And then I'm seeing a little weird symbol with an HE in the middle of it, I think, and then it says Canada. So I'm going to try to reference those numbers. If you have any idea what I just read and what it means, please let me know. But let's get this trim ring off now. Alright folks, this trim ring I guarantee is not original. I know they're supposed to have like 4 little clips here, but this is not an original trim ring. That does not surprise me. I don't think that's a big deal. Obviously, I will source original trim rings if I can get my hands on them. But with that, we're going to go look at the date codes of the wheel now. That's what I really want to discuss here. Okay folks, I have the NCRS manual for an 1868-69 6th edition Corvette Technical Information Manual and Judging Guide. This is the Bible if you really want to know what you have. I know some people may have issues with NCRS. I don't. I'm a member. They're the best source of information that you could possibly have. Hats off to NCRS, folks. So, looking it up, we are going to reference pages 95 and 96. It says trim rings and center caps. So, ooh, good news. So let's go check what we see on the rim now and then compare. Okay folks, so basically what we're saying, early 68 cars will not have a date stamp. A lot of these don't have on 68s, but we're looking for an AG to the right of the valve stem hole, and then we're going to look for the date. To determine the date, the year stamped in 2 places, one of the center hub and another near the valve stem. It reads K17, K18, or K19. K stands for the type of rim bead. 1 stands for the manufacturing plant, and 8 or 9 is the last digit of the year. Okay? So that is for 68, which we have. So we're looking for a K18 near the valve stem hole, as that would identify AG, 68, AZ, 69, and we're looking for this, and we're going to see what we got. Okay, another thing, too, is if we see something after the K18, that number would signify the month, and then a number to the left of the AG would signify the day. So like in this case, I'm looking at 4 and 16, so April 16th. Let's see what we got. Okay, so what we're looking at here is K18 6 10 AG. So that tells us 1968, month 6, day 10, June 10th, 1968. This car is born on the date of June 19th. This wheel is correct. K18 6 10 AG, June 10th, 1968. Correct. K18 6 AG, June 10th, 1968. K18 6 AG, 610 AG, June 10th, 1968. So on page 97 of the manual, it says the 68 has a smooth edge around here. The 69 has a prominent lip. The fins are pointed on the 68 and square on the 69. You're probably not going to be able to see this, and I'll verify for sure by trying to find one, but I'm thinking these are square and that's a prominent lip, which would tell me, and they're all the same, that these more likely than not are off of a 69. I do not see anywhere here with any part numbers that I can reference. So having said that, I'm going with that these are not 68 but 69. You tell me. That looks square. That looks like a lip. But anyway, now remember I said that this car was born on June 19. With the rims being all June 10, how do I determine that this car was born on June 19th? Well, I'm going to show that before we end the video, so stay tuned. Alright folks, let's verify born on date now. Okay, so you open up the door and you look right there, and the trim tag says K18. What's that tell you? It tells you 1968. It also shows, no, that's a 9, I'm sorry. That shows you K19. K is June. 19 is the 19th day. June 19th, 1968. So there you have it, folks. Please stay tuned because this is the summer of C3 and C5 Tech. Again, click the thumbs up, click the notification bell. This is Corvette Dan. More C3 restoration videos coming soon. Thank you. Until the next one.